Sawblade.com is pushing the limits of design, innovation, and durability with our Bandsaw upgrade guide kits. I'm Leslie, product specialist, and this is the Delta 20-inch D upgrade kit. Raise the bar on what your machine is capable. Master those difficult, intricate cuts and get the dependability and support you need to take on any project. This is an easy to install, economical, and dynamic solution that you've been searching for. This rugged and durable kit offers a drastic improvement compared to factory blade guides and is perfect for general woodwork and resawing. Our guide blocks are composed of a solid, high-grade aluminum, and it utilizes performance-sealed ball bearings. Our triple bearing design dramatically enhances the accuracy and overall performance of your machine by supporting the blade with two front bearings and a single rear thrust bearing. The front bearings support the blade on either side and can be adjusted for pinpoint accuracy to decrease horizontal blade walk. The rear thrust bearing is designed to roll with the blade and reduce friction and blade walk under feeding force. All three bearings are fully adjustable to allow for an unmatched accuracy in a variety of bandwidths. This Delta 20-inch D upgrade kit is adjustable for blades 3/16 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch and is for new models with guides that mount to the side of the saw frame parallel to the saw blade. This heavy-duty guide kit comes complete with upper and lower guide blocks, mounting brackets, mounting studs, and trio block precision bearings. Sawblade.com is your one-stop shop for all your Delta aftermarket needs. We have an extensive inventory of parts such as wheels, pulleys, tension springs, and much more. To further assist you in enhancing your cutting performance, check out our quality, American-made bandsaw blades. Our blades are made to order in any length, width, or tooth set, and because we don't have distributors or outside salesmen, you get factory direct pricing. We take pride in our work, and we stand behind our blades with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. You can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the best deal. Thanks for watching, and for more informational videos, product overviews, and tech tips, check out Sawblade.tv. I'm Leslie, product specialist with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.